Once Winston arrives at the clinic, you'll have to fill out his sheet with his basic physical exam. Here you can see the doctor making some additional notes onto the sheet using the voice recognition abilities built into the iPad. This lets you note down long, complicated notes quickly. You'll also have the ability to map back to different areas of the easyvet clinical record, which you'll see more of later on. Here you can see how quick and easy it is to fill out your sheet. You can also add in some photos of Winston's toys and blankets that have been brought into the clinic. These all attach to Winston's easyvet clinical record, as well as being viewable from your treatment sheet. You'll also want to get some diagnostics running for Winston, so select one of the pick lists for blood work here. Pick the appropriate test to run, and then use the bulk editor to complete these tasks. Next, go through his sheet and charge for the rest of the relevant items that you have used. Here you can see the fluid bags. Enter the quantity. When you enter a quantity such as 2, it means it's going to bill back 2 items. Everywhere you see a tick, we'll just be billing back a single item to your invoice. Just as we have the link from easyvet to VetRadar, we also have the link from VetRadar to easyvet. This will open up easyvet in a new tab and take you straight to the patient record. On the patient's clinical record, you can see all of the notes that have been entered on the sheet, going to the relevant areas that those fields are linked to. You can also see the invoice and that the invoice is complete and up to date with everything that's happened so far for Winston's day.